Did you know you can make money by simply surfing the web? In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make money by using Bing.com. Next, go to Bing and search for Microsoft Rewards. Then next, you click Join Now. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can sign in. If not, you can create one. In my case, I have a Microsoft account, so I'm gonna sign in. I can click on my rewards. You can see here I have $44 that I can use right now if I want to. And basically all you have to do is sign up, and then yeah, and then when you search, you start earning money. So you have 83,000 points available. I can redeem those points if I want to. I wanted to show you how this works. So let's say I have 83,397 points, right? So let's say I go to Bing, and then I search for today in history. Let's see. I see the story and I want to check this out. Okay, so now this is a search and I read the story. I close this page. I'm done. Now let's go to Bing Rewards. See, I have a little bit more points. You can also donate your money if you want. There's you can give 1,000 points to the Boys and Girls Club. This is all categories. I click on all categories. So as you can see, it goes a long way. So this is everything you can do with your card. If you like Starbucks, you can get a Starbucks cards for that will cost you 5,250 points, but that's like a $5 card. If you need a $25 card, it will cost you 26,000 points. Let's make a donation. Let's make a donation. Let's go to St. Jude Children's Hospital, and we're gonna donate $1. Okay, so donate $1, and yeah, I just need to confirm, and I just donated $1. And finally, you can click on the amount here where it says Microsoft Cashback, and you can get paid. So what this will do, they will send the money to your PayPal account. So if I want to, I can add the address of my PayPal account, the email address, and then Microsoft will send me $44 directly to my PayPal account, and I think that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.